how to merge layers in Photoshop. Now first of all I'll open the Photoshop, and here I have already loaded the image. So let's say apply some effects. I'll go to this selective color tool and I will basically do this, some random stuff here. Then I'll go to this option, I'll select like this, and I'll go to this levels option and basically do this. So these are some of the layers. So these are basically not in one layer. What I'll do is I'll basically select them by control. This is the method number 1. I'll basically select them all and right click and merge layers. So this has been now in one layer. Another method that I can do is the shortcut key. I'll basically select them and Control Shift and E. You have to type Control Shift and E. So this is basically the method by which you can merge layers in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.